Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with another tweaks video, but in today's video I will be talking about one single tweak which will be bring a nice animation, even nice effect if you want to respring your device. For me, in my opinion, it's gonna be really beautiful. That's why I decided to make that video and share that tweak with you guys. I've been used that tweak from a long time ago, so that's why I make today's video to talking about that tweak. Before I'm gonna start today's video, I will asking you guys to give the video a huge thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new tweaks video. Alright, so let's go ahead right now and jump to talking about the tweak that I've been told you guys about it. This is the one that I've been used from a long time ago, which is in my opinion is gonna be really beautiful if you want to bring the same style or the effect once you want to respring your device. First, the link will be in the description if you want to add the source. So it's available if you want to get that in the description. And here we talking about the Respring Animation Mega Pack. So the tweak here will be provide you with more than effect or animation pack and will be available under the Anemone. I'm about to show you guys in a second how is that will be looks like, and I'm gonna be go through most the effects or the style that once you download the tweak you will be find all those under the Anemone. So anyway, once you finish downloading the tweak here, you can go ahead right now and jump under the Anemone and you will be see the Respring Animation Mega Pack will be available here. Simply all what you need to do, just go ahead and tap on it and you will be see more than effect here. As you might see right now here, we have a lot of effects and most those will be really beautiful if you want to set those on your iDevice. So all what you need to do right now, just pick your favorite effect from there and also just make sure to tap on it and then just press on preview here and apply and you will be see the effect will be work once you want to respring your device. I'm about to show you guys right now how is those effects will be looks like, so you can take a look right now for most of those on the video. So there you go guys, this is the most effects that I already told you guys about it in today's video, in today's tweaks. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. As I told you guys, this is or that tweak will be really beautiful if you want to respring your device, and then you can pick any effect from those that you already seen right now in today's video. Go ahead if you're looking for that tweak. As I told you guys, first of all, the link will be in the description for the source if you want to add the source, and also if you're looking for that tweak, a tweak called Respring Animation Mega Pack. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, don't forget, give it a huge thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace.